Hello friends, in front of me Dipanshu ji is sitting. He had secured All India rank 17 in CA Inter exam July 21. Not only that, he secured exemption in all the papers. He took my FM classes and he is really very intelligent student. Let me tell few of his marks in theory papers. He secured 83 in law, 75 in audit, and 74 in audit, and 72 in EIS SM. 83, 74, 72 papers which students fear, papers which students think that they are not scoring, but Dipanshu made them scoring by hard work, by dedication, by proper guidance. So I will definitely ask Dipanshu to give you advice on other subjects also. Let us first start with FM, and rest guidance he will give whenever he will made a group, and then you can ask any guidance from him. What about FM? How you liked the FM? What is the approach you followed? How about the class notes which were given to you? About the concept division? About the minute notes which I have given? Stock market practical, the codes which we used to give for motivation. Full information you should give for FM so that other people can also be motivated by you and same follow the same approach and be such successful that you have become. Even my student has scored AIR1 in this attempt, scoring very good marks in FM, 83% marks. Definitely now FM is easy for everybody because of the class notes, because of the approach which we are following in class. So please highlight some of the key positive things about the class which you liked and you will try to inform others.
So, sir, when I joined the class, you gave the stock market training for 5 days. And I was so excited at the end to see your live trading. So, sir, when I saw your live trading, I was literally excited all the day about it. Like, I want to pursue my career in finance. Sir, financial management is not a difficult subject. It is very practical. So your notes were so amazing that I had so much conceptual clarity that it gave me, it became so easy for me to prepare for such subject. So the importance of your register I felt during the 1.5 days that we get between the exams. So in that 1.5 days, when I looked at the register, I was relaxed. I just couldn't describe my happiness at that time. I was really clear how to go about my syllabus and your division of notes into 3 books. First module was so amazing that it became like a song. I have to just go through my register and clear my concepts. And second one, working capital management. It was also amazing that you had divided working capital management into 6 small chapters. So it gave me conceptual clarity that you have to do one question from this, one question from this, one question from this. This was the best thing I came through your notes, that I have to practice only just 2-3 questions in that 1.5 days and just be clear that I will score good marks. And third module also was amazing with so much questions. You don't have to do much from RTB, MTB. You just have to go through a study material 5 times. I did 3 times, but it was good. And my when I gave my exam, I think my concepts were clear, but I made some calculation mistakes. But I did not felt at any time that it was a difficult paper. It became very easy for me. So, sir, that was really good experience. And in class, your quotes that you used to display at the end was so amazing that it made my day bright and delightful. I used to be grateful for my life and grateful towards my parents.
Such a nice you spoke about everything. And what about other subject guidance? Will you be able to provide them all? And now you are excited for your final journey. Even many students after clearing inter and join my classes of SFM final, and they used to get 50,000 stipend per per month in articleship, in industrial training, in companies like Barclays, Credit Suisse, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, HSBC. So definitely there is a lot of scope in finance sector. So are you excited?
Yes, sir, I am very much excited and I have decided that I will pursue my career in finance. I have decided that I will go for my CFA degree also and clear level 1 in this May or August attempt. Sir, I think towards other subjects, the most important thing is that you have to prepare for the theory very consciously and you have to dedicate yourself into that. So, in group, I will advise about all the theory concepts that you have to do and about the articleship and final thing that please don't delay your final studies. After giving inter, just take some rest, but you have to plan for the future that how to go about it. And you have to be clear that I have to take up 2 practical subjects first that has no amendments and then just start preparing for it. You should be clear that how you will go through in this 2.5 years and give your finals. And you also have to concentrate on your articleship. You have to gain exposure in it. You have to, like sir told that there are many, like now the industrial training starts from after 1.5 years. So you can just pursue finance. The stipend is so high in those companies that it motivates the student to work harder and make his or her career in the future.
So thank you so much, Dipanshu. Definitely I am quite excited. So many students will be motivated and will definitely join your guidance group. We can use social media in a positive manner, and definitely you can definitely help others to follow proper approach, because you have made it possible. All India 17th rank, friends, getting rank in CA is everybody's dream. So definitely my students are doing very well. They are scoring all India rank 1 with very good marks in FM and in final also in SFM. So no need to worry about finance. You are in safe hands. All the best and see you soon. And Dipanshu will definitely share his overall strategy, and you will definitely be benefited by his guidance. Thank you so much.